Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup manage data in Google Firebase using exports, complete guide step by step clearly. Today, we will guide you on how to backup manage data in Google Firebase using exports. First, open your Firebase console in your web browser. Navigate to the project that contains the data you wish to backup. On the left side menu, find the Firestore Database section and click on it. Here, you will see your Firestore Database Management interface. Next, locate the Data tab to view the collections stored in your database. Select the collection that you want to backup. Once you've selected the collection, click on the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of the collection view. From the drop-down menu, choose the Export Collection option. You will see a prompt asking for confirmation to export the selected data. Confirm the export, and Firebase will begin processing your request. Depending on the size of your collection, this might take some time. Once the export is complete, a notification will appear, providing details about the exported data. Now, let's move on to backing up your real-time database data. Return to the Firebase console home. From the left side menu, find Real-Time Database and click on it. In the Real-Time Database interface, click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. Select the Export JSON option from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will open, prompting you to choose the location for saving your backup file. Select a location and click Save. The JSON file containing your real-time database data will be downloaded to your device. Now, ensure you store these backup files securely. It's a good practice to keep multiple copies of your backups in different locations. Regularly backing up your data ensures the safety and integrity of your information. You have now successfully backed up managed data in Google Firebase using exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.